front of me is Google Pixel 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Google section. Then click on All Services right next to Recommended. Tap on Autofill. Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Now just click on one of your passwords that you wish to edit. Following that, enter your current login method and choose Edit button right next to the Delete one. Then change wherever you wish to. When you're done, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!